Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can trim your clips to the beats of the music, and here is the tutorial. So first you just need to add the clips that you want to add to the music, and here click on the audio, click on sound. So you can either choose the music from CapCut, or you can also add it from your library. Here I'm going to just choose one from CapCut. Okay, just click on the plus icon on the music, and in here just click on the audio file, then head to the beats options at the bottom. Here you can add the beat manually by scrolling or exploring your audio and click on the add beat option like this. But if you are too lazy, you can just use the auto generate options from CapCut. So just click on a circle, and now CapCut will adding the beats to the audio. So after this you just need to adjust on, if you want to make the beat slow, you can just go with drag the circle to the left, but if you want to make it the beat fast, you can drag it to the right. I'm going to make it slow like this. Now you can just click on a check icon, and what you need to do is just trim your clips based on the dot or the mark that the audio has. So just trim it like this. Okay, adjust it for all of the clips. Okay, don't forget to follow the yellow dot. Okay, this is the last one, and that's it. I'm going to split the audio, and your video will now sync with the beats of the music. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.